Hi, Phil from Got Memories here. This is a PSA for anyone that is shipping off your memories to, me, primarily me. I do ask that you number them 1 through 30 or what have you with a Sharpie marker, nice and easy. You just grab the marker and just write on the tape itself. Do not ever put post-it notes on them. As soon as I opened this up, I was like, oh no. Because the thing is the post-it notes come off, and these post-it notes this particular one was never sticky. So I've got to very carefully take them out so I don't get the numberings mixed up. Not that there's anything written on these tapes. This is very common here. These could be blank, or they could have, hour and a half on them, or what have you. But taking them out very carefully, because there's one without a sticker. I'm hoping it's maybe number 21. Here's another one, 22. Just writing on them, 22, even with a black marker, can, alleviate all this, because I've got to put stickers on them anyway. This is what I do. If you do have these stickers lying around, just write 1, 2, 3, 4 and just stick them on the tape. But don't stick them as some people have. They'll get tape and then they'll just put them like, oh yeah, that's good. No, because that impedes, this lip here cannot come down. Some people have put tape that's been there forever, and it's let's have a look here. What number was that? 18. That's why you got to pay attention with all this stuff. It might not mean anything to you but this might be detail orientated, and it has to be just so. I don't mess around. I'm OCD about this stuff. And anybody in this industry that is doing this type of business you have to have an OCD personality, because, hey, all of these tape numbers here, if they're not all correct and dragged, just one misdirected drag into the wrong folder. This is something I don't talk about a lot, but look at all these folders right here. Each one has to go into the right one. So one wrong drag, and you've got someone's got someone else's Christmas Day on their drive and their download links. So it is really, you have to keep your focus about you. And that's why I've got the front door locked most of the time, and I've got the curtain up, because I'm in the thick of it and I've got all the machines going in, all this individual stuff, and I'm multitasking like you wouldn't believe, and it's a developed skill, this level of multitasking, and keeping everything dialed in, along with emails, shipping, phone calls, text messages. And local people here in Phoenix do just show up, and they're holding on to a VHS tape and it's broken, and I'm like, okay. So I am by appointment for drop-offs for anyone in Phoenix, and typically I have that curtain up, just even if I can, as much as I want to help people, I'm in the throes of things back here, and one interruption with questions and stuff, as much as I want to help people, it's like appointment. So I'm ready for the questions, the heads up on what needs to get done. That does remind me. But this is very handy. And, if I do hear the door go in, I'll do my best to go answer it, but that kind of like shields me from all the distractions, especially when I'm in the throes of it. And people, text messages, phone calls, all of that stuff. I put my phone on airplane mode sometimes, just because I cannot have distractions with this stuff. If you don't, and text messaging works better. People that phone up and want to, I get it. They want to speak to someone, and I'm all for it. Time and a place, scheduling calls and stuff. But sometimes people just want to be on the phone for an hour with me and talk about England and talk about the history of their tapes and stories, which I totally get. And, I'm chatty as well when the time is, if you catch me at a good moment, I'll chit chat forever as well. But when you're trying to focus on all this type of stuff here, and also count everything that's there, I'm assuming this number 22 is this one here. I mean, this isn't even barely sticky. 21, I'm assuming this one's here. So everything else has survived, but don't ever put these stickies on there. Just write on the physical tape itself. I'm going to take all these stickies off. I'm going to write 1, 2, 3, 4 all the way to 25, and then I'm going to peel this off and then stick those stickers on there. So it is all it's not going to get mixed up. That's about it for now. Anyway, gotmemories.com. If you are in Phoenix, I am by appointment, and you can shoot texts or emails over, and schedule a call if you wanted to, or drop off, what have you. Anyway, all the best to you. Cheers. Bye.